Clay.com or Apollo.io? Which one is the ultimate lead gen tool for growing your business in 2025? Let's break it down. Clay helps you find deep insights and act fast using custom data, AI research, and workflow automation. Apollo.io helps you find reach and convert prospects fast. It's built for full cycle sales teams. Clay is ideal for scaling teams, startups turned unicorns, and enterprise GTM teams with heavy data needs. Apollo shines for agencies, freelancers, and small to mid-sized B2B sales teams looking for speed and volume. Clay gives you tools like CRM enrichment, lead scoring, outbound intent signals, AI agents, and integrations with Salesforce, Notion, and more. Apollo brings lead sourcing, automated multi-channel outreach, email personalization, call recording, CRM integration, and built-in scheduling tools. Apollo has a forever free plan with 1,200 credits per user yearly. Paid plans start at $59 per month for 5,000 monthly credits. Clay's pricing higher but built for scale. Enterprise plans dominate here. If you're a growing agency or B2B startup with under 10 people, Apollo.io is your plug-and-play lead gen machine. But if you're aiming to scale fast, work with massive datasets, or need hyper-specific targeting, Clay.com is built for you. Use Apollo if you want speed and simplicity. Use Clay if you're data-heavy and growth-obsessed. Either way, you're leveling up. Still not sure? Drop a comment with your business size and I'll recommend one. And don't forget to like and follow for more smart tool breakdowns.